Welcome, friends. Have you ever felt like your body was trying to tell you something? Maybe you've been running to the bathroom more often, or perhaps it feels like you're not fully emptying your bladder. Maybe there's just this lingering sense that something isn't quite right. As we age, our urinary system can begin to show signs of wear and tear, and that's perfectly normal. But the good news is, there are natural ways to support this vital system. And today, we're going to explore 5 herbs that can help. Your urinary system is like your body's plumbing. It works hard to flush out toxins, regulate hydration, and keep everything in balance. But over time, things can slow down. We might retain more fluid, get more frequent infections, or struggle with uncomfortable symptoms. That's where nature comes in. For centuries, people across cultures have turned to herbs for gentle support. And now, modern science is catching up. In this video, we'll explore 5 natural herbs that are scientifically proven to help cleanse your urinary system. These herbs aren't just folk remedies, they're backed by research and have shown real promise in improving urinary health. Whether you're looking to prevent infections, reduce inflammation, or just give your kidneys and bladder a little boost, these 5 herbs could make a big difference. Let's get started with our first herb. Parsley. Yes, the same bright green herb you might sprinkle on pasta or potatoes. It's not just a garnish, it's a powerhouse. Parsley has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially for its diuretic properties. A diuretic is something that helps your body eliminate excess water and sodium, and parsley does this naturally and gently. In scientific studies, parsley has shown the ability to increase urine production in both animals and humans. It contains compounds like apiol and myristicin, which stimulate the kidneys and help them flush out toxins more efficiently. Think of it as a gentle push for your urinary system, helping it do what it already wants to do. The benefits of parsley go beyond just helping you pee more. By increasing urine flow, parsley can help reduce bloating, prevent urinary tract infections, and even lower blood pressure. It acts as a natural detoxifier for your kidneys and bladder, helping to clear out waste and reduce the risk of stone formation. Using parsley is simple. One of the easiest ways is to make parsley tea. Just chop up a handful of fresh parsley, steep it in hot water for about 10 minutes, strain it, and drink. You can do this once or twice a day. You can also add fresh parsley to smoothies, salads, or soups for a subtle health boost. Of course, like all herbs, parsley isn't for everyone. If you have kidney disease or are taking blood thinners, you'll want to talk to your doctor first. But for many people, parsley is a safe, easy, and effective way to support urinary health. Next up, we have dandelion roots. Yes, those yellow flowers you see sprouting up in your yard. While many people consider dandelions a nuisance, herbalists have long treasured them for their powerful healing properties. Dandelion root, in particular, is known for supporting both the liver and the kidneys. Historically, Native American and traditional Chinese medicine practitioners have used dandelion to treat kidney disease and urinary issues. And now, modern research confirms that dandelion root can act as a natural diuretic, helping the body increase urine output without depleting essential nutrients like potassium. Dandelion root is rich in antioxidants, especially luteolin and polyphenols. These compounds help reduce inflammation and support the body's detox pathways. By supporting both the liver and the kidneys, dandelion root plays a unique dual role in cleansing your system. How exactly does it help the urinary system? First, it promotes the production of urine, which helps flush out toxins and prevent the formation of stones. Second, it reduces water retention, which can be a problem for many older adults. And third, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated tissues in the bladder or urethra. You can take dandelion root as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. To make tea, use dried or roasted dandelion root and steep it in boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drink this once or twice daily for best results. As always, if you're on diuretics or medications like lithium, check with your doctor before adding dandelion root to your routine. But for many people, It's a gentle and effective way to keep their urinary system running smoothly. Now let's talk about corn silk. Yes, we mean the silky threads you pull off an ear of corn. It turns out those silky strands have been used in traditional medicine for generations, and for good reason. Corn silk has natural diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. Scientific studies show that corn silk extract can reduce urinary tract inflammation and increase urine output. It's particularly helpful for people who suffer from UTIs, as it can ease pain and speed up recovery. The compounds in corn silk, including flavonoids and potassium, help soothe the bladder lining and promote healthy urine flow. It's like giving your urinary tract a calming, healing bath from the inside out. To use corn silk, you can brew it into tea by boiling fresh or dried silk in water, straining, and drinking a cup once or twice a day. You can also find it in capsule form at health food stores. Corn silk is generally safe, but it may lower blood pressure or blood sugar. So if you're managing those conditions, talk to your healthcare provider first. Next on our list is a lesser-known but powerful herb called Uva Ursi, also known as bearberry. This herb has been used in European and Native American medicine for centuries to treat urinary tract infections and bladder issues. The active ingredient in Uva Ursi is arbutin, which turns into hydroquinone in the body. This compound acts as a natural antibacterial agent, helping to kill harmful bacteria in the bladder and urethra. Uva Ursi also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the lining of the urinary tract and reduce discomfort. It's especially effective in treating and preventing recurring urinary tract infections. However, Uva Ursi is not for long-term use. It should be used for short periods, generally no more than 7 to 10 days at a time, and only under the supervision of a healthcare provider. Overuse can lead to liver toxicity. You can take Uva Ursi as a tea or in capsule form. Make sure to drink plenty of water while using it to help flush out bacteria and support healing. Finally, let's talk about horsetail. This ancient plant dates back to the time of the dinosaurs and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for kidney and bladder problems. Horsetail contains silica, which helps strengthen the tissues of the urinary tract. It also acts as a mild diuretic, helping to increase urine output and flush out toxins. Research shows that horsetail can reduce urinary discomfort and promote healing, especially after infections. It's also helpful for people dealing with weak bladders or mild incontinence. You can make horsetail tea by steeping the dried herb in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Drink once or twice daily. It's also available in capsule or tincture form. Horsetail should not be used by people with kidney disease or heart problems, and it's best used in cycles, 2 weeks on, 1 week off, to avoid overuse. Here are some additional tips. Herbs can do wonders, but they work best when combined with healthy habits. The most important of these is hydration. Drinking plenty of water is the simplest, most effective way to keep your urinary system healthy. Aim for at least 6 to 8 cups a day, unless your doctor advises otherwise. In conclusion, each of these herbs offers unique benefits, and when used wisely, they can be a gentle, effective way to care for your urinary system. Just remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal supplement, especially if you have chronic conditions or take medications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. And if you've used any of these herbs before, or have other natural remedies you swear by, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health, naturally.